In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to fold a reflector that I'm holding right here into its bag. If it's the first time you're using a reflector, what you're going to notice is that once you've pulled it out of its bag and you finish using it, getting it back into its bag might prove a little bit tricky. If that's you, let me show you how. The first thing you will need to do is to hold the reflector like you're holding the steering wheel of a car like this. Next, you will need to have one of your hands in the opposite direction like this. Then you try to twist the reflector until you see it have this figure 8 shape. And you have one of your hands up and the other one down like this. And with just a little bit of adjustment, you're able to get it back in shape. And now you should be able to fit it back into its bag. I hope this helps. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.